Hello, my name is Michiel Goossens. Today I'm gonna make a present for a Secret Santa. I signed up for a Secret Santa organized by Henk Rijkaard. Henk Rijkaard also got a YouTube channel, he also builds stuff. I will leave a link in the description and maybe somewhere over here. I got a mail with a description of the person wherefore I need to make this present. He likes Marvel movies and games. I have this idea like a box with a speaker in and some little dolls from the superheroes, a couple of the superheroes from Marvel, and you can put the superheroes in the box and then the speaker will play like a code or something that the superhero, that specific superhero says a lot. So I was thinking to use this Arduino board and like some resistors to have like a different value for every superhero. I also have this. It's an SD module, and then I will need a speaker. I found this information to make an ohm meter with an Arduino. So with an ohm meter you measure the resistance, so that way I can get a value from the resistors. I got the ohm meter connected and everything is working correctly. The resistor is around 100 ohm. If I change the 100 ohm resistor with a 270 ohm, serial monitor is printing around 270 ohm. I have 5 different resistors for 5 different superheroes. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I actually just need to do some research to find some nice superheroes to make. I have this speaker. I'm going to try to connect it to my Arduino and try to play some sounds from an SD card. I finally got it working. I had a lot of trouble, really stupid stuff, but yeah. The first thing was my SD card. This one, it's an old SD card and it wasn't working. So I used another SD card. Then I had trouble with this, needed to be in pin 4. Now when I press the reset button, it will play the sound from Spider-Man. It's really quiet. I still will need like an amplifier to use to make it a bit louder, but...
Oh, ain't you just the cutest little thing?
Now I will continue programming the code for the Arduino. I wrote it with input from the serial monitor, but I can adjust the code so it's with the resistors and the button that I will use. Now I just have like the serial monitor. If I put in SM, it will select Spider-Man. Then it will be the same as I put the doll of Spider-Man in the box. And then I will give an input P, and it will be the same that then pushing the button. So if I press, give the input P, you will hear. And it's always random.
Didn't even need my spider sense for that one.
If I push the R button, then it will reset everything. It will be the same then taking the doll out of the box. And I can give another input like IM, it's Iron Man.
Told you, a nice candlelight dinner would have been better. Let's give this new armor a whirl, shall we?
Now I just need to make this amplifier for the speaker so it's a bit louder, and I will need to make the dowels and the box to put the dowels in with a button and an on-off switch. I connected a LED. It's a LED that will show if the hero is active or not. So I put it in. It waits a second and then you can see now here on this LED that the hero is active. If I push the button, what is now the serial input P, it will play a sound. The resistor for Wolverine is connected, so it should play a sound of Wolverine.
This time we ate ended in a draw.
And it's the correct one.
This is what happens when you mess with the X-Men.
Don't know if you can see it on the camera. I'm gonna put this in on this point and another one on this point. I will drill a hole in the cork and then I will attach the resistor and put the resistor in the hole of the cork. I will use this box. It's from my smartphone. I have this Isimo. This is going to be a mess. Now that I have this piece of Isimo and with a hole inside, the cork can slide in really easily. But the cork should only be able to slide in one position. Here on the bottom of the Isimo I will also attach these copper pieces, and these two copper pieces should touch the other ones on the Isimo. So I was thinking to use like these acrylic as like a kind of a rail. So I will put in two pieces of acrylic on each side, and I will make a groove inside of the cork. So the cork will only be able to slide in the acrylic pieces. Okay, you can see now it can only slide in this way. I will add the copper plates on the bottom here. I'm gonna connect everything so the cork is out, the LED is not lighting up. If I put in a cork, the LED starts lighting up. So I don't have the button yet, So I still use the stereo input to play the sound, but if I now play a sound, it should play a sound from Spider-Man. Oh, it doesn't. So yeah, I finally got it working. I can just input stereo input P and it gives a sound here.
Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man at your service.
You can see I take the cork out and the LED stops lighting up. So now I need to make the other corks. I still have a lot of work. I finished making all the corks. I have one for the Hulk, one for Iron Man, one for Captain America, one for Wolverine, and one for Spider-Man. Okay, so everything is connected. The amplifier.
Hulk, break your claws this time, little man.
I had a lot of frustration already. So stupid stuff. But now, yeah, I got the biggest board working. So the stupid thing is that the CS pin of the SD card reader needs to be connected on pin 4 on my Arduino boards, but on this chip it needs to be connected on pin 10, and it took me a while to figure it out. I will need to continue working with the button now. Everything is connected. There is one thing that I don't like really much. It's the speaker is making noise before it plays the first sound. But I added a sound in the beginning, so yeah, I will boot it up. So we have a battery, a 9-volt battery, and I will attach it. It's like that, that's the noise. Here is the dock for the corks. You have the button. You can see it's not lighting up yet. I will first need to put in the cork. If I put in the cork, it starts lighting up. If I press the button, it's the Spider-Man cork. It will play a sound of Spider-Man.
My slime ball sense is tingling. Good old spider sense. What would I do without you?
I fixed a lot of the stuff already, so I have the power supply here, the amplifier for the speaker, and now I will start soldering the port with the Arduino.
You think I'm going down to some pampered punk like you? That's why I'm a super soldier. The great power and the great beatdown. Didn't even need my spider sense for that one.
So that was it for the Secret Santa present that I made. It was a lot of work and a lot of frustration, but I'm really glad with the end result. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will make more videos like this in the future. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time, guys. Bye.